to see your innovations, and best of luck to everyone. And let's start the exhibition now.
Okay,
Thank you, madam, for
madam.
your support. Thank you, madam.
Nitya madam, please unmute yourself.
Yes, sir. Jhiling. So all the best for your presentation. We are all looking forward for your innovation work. Thank you.
Okay, madam.
Thank you, madam, for your support and cooperation.
Thank you. So we will not do late. Both the madams, they are having a very less time. They have joined by giving the time, valuable time. So madam, so we can start, madam. We will start from the first participant, that is Hitesh. Hitesh, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So unmute yourself as well as make your video on.
Yes, sir. Good morning, judges. I am Hitesh from 5A, going to present how we can reduce the pollutants coming from the factories and industries. First of all, we can add a tall chimney in the factory so that the harmful gases will not inhaled by the people and animals. Next thing, we can add a gas purifier, and nowadays it's also known as precipitator, in the mouth of the chimney. That will decrease the amount of soot and harmful gases present in the air. Next thing we can do is to plant a large number of trees around the surrounding the plant so that it will absorb many percentage of dust. Thank you.
Hitesh, be in line. Both the madams will ask anything about your project. Make your video on as well as unmute yourself.
Yes, sir.
Hitesh, make your video on.
Yes, sir.
Madam, please, if you can, if you will interact anything. सुना ना मैडम? नीतू मैडम.
Okay, Hitesh. Hitesh,
Yes, yes, ma'am.
you have said that precipitators are used in chimneys,
Yes,
isn't it?
yes, ma'am.
Okay. So can you explain me how do they work?
Ma'am, it works like a purifier. It absorbs the soot and harmful germs and gases present in the air.
Okay. And can you tell me which gases are absorbed, if you have any idea?
Ma'am, carbon dioxide and carbon monoxides, like that gases.
Okay. Any one example of industry where it is used?
Ma'am, Tata Steel.
Okay. Okay. Thank you.
Yes.
Very good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, Hitesh.
सुना ना मैडम, please.
Yeah, yes, sir.
Yes, ma'am.
Your presentation is very nice. I want to ask you that how plants help in reducing air pollution.
Ma'am, plant will absorb some of the dust, and the dust will not able to reach to cities so that the people will inhale it.
Yes, sir. And what the other ways in which plant can help in reducing air pollution? What are the other ways in which plants can help in reducing air pollution?
Ma'am, they also absorb the carbon dioxide and release oxygen.
Okay, so in this way they purify the air. Okay,
Yes.
good. Okay, so we can head towards
Okay,
the
yes.
other participants.
Okay, okay, Nitesh, thank you. You have made a nice project.
Yes.
So next participant is Jyoti Prakash, the second serial 5B. You can unmute yourself as well as you can make your video on. Jyoti Prakash. Jyoti Prakash, unmute yourself.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, yes.
Yes, sir.
You can start your
Hmm.
project.
Good morning, judges and my respectful teacher. I am Jyoti Prakash from 5B. Today I am here with a model in virtual meeting to solve a unique and most important problem. We know that our school is located in the highway side and more than 2,000 and 3,000 vehicles in a day. So every day we are doing breakfast. How do we remove the dust? By planting develop plant around the fences of our school. Use hydrate develop plant because these plants grow in height very quickly and achieve 20-30 feet within 6-7 years. We have to use this plant in 3 consecutive rows, crisscross way. So the dust and smoke raised by due to vehicle can be observed by 3 layers of the developed plant and our school become dust free. Thank you.
Okay. So 3 layers of trees. What is the advantage of that, Jyoti Prakash?
That remove smoke and dust, other gases, harmful gases.
Okay.
Okay, Jyoti, this was very good. Tell me any name of species, trees which can grow very fast.
Ma'am, what?
You are suggest any tree which grows very fast.
Developed plant, hydrate,
Okay.
developed
Okay,
plant.
very good idea. Now tell me what is. Okay, very good. Now, what is the advantage of this crisscross type of plantation?
It removes the dust and smoke, cannot go to school of student. It observed by 3 layers.
Okay. Okay. Your model of the school is very beautiful. Thank you. Thank you, Jyoti.
Okay, Jyoti Prakash,
Welcome.
very good. So, madam, can we move to next project?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So next is Angsuman. Angsuman, have you joined?
Yes, sir.
Okay, you can make your video on. Unmute yourself.
Sir, start करें.
Yes, yes. Start.
Good morning to all.
Shantanu sir. Shantanu sir, 1
Yes,
minute.
madam. Yes, madam.
Good morning to all.
Sir,
Yes,
standard 5
Angsuman,
and 6 are one group or separate?
No, madam.
Yes, sir.
Standard 5, 6, 7, all are in junior group, madam. The list I have given to you.
Oh, they are all in the junior groups only.
Yes,
So
yes.
their judgment will be in from the. Okay, so selection will be from 5 to 7, isn't it? For second,
Yes,
third.
yes, madam.
Okay, sir.
Angsuman, you can start.
Good morning to one and all. My respected teacher, my name is Ansuman First. Today I am here to demonstrate a model in front of you. My topic name is properties of water. I made a model about properties of water. properties of water. Let's see. Take a glass of water and some salt and mix together. What we observe, the salt is dissolved in water. We don't know that the salt is soluble substance. What do we mean by soluble substance? The substance that dissolves in water is called soluble substance. Then let's go to the another glass. Take a glass of water and take a little oil. And mix with it. What we observe, the oil is not dissolved in water. So we now know that the oil is an insoluble substance. What do we mean by insoluble substance? A substance that do not dissolve in water is called insoluble substance. Then go to the another one. Take a glass of water and take a plastic sheet, a plastic paper, then mix together. What we observe, the plastic sheet is not dissolved in water, but it is floating on the water. Then another one. Take a glass of water and take a piece of marble wall and also dip with it. Mix with it. What we observe, the piece of marble ball is not dissolved in water, but it is sinking in water. So the piece of marble ball and the piece of plastic paper are floating and sinking substance. What do we mean by floating and sinking substance? The substance that have two conditions. One, either they sink in water, either they float on water. Thank you.
Okay, madam, please.
Sir, also.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Very good presentation, Anshuman.
Okay. Anshuman,
Yes, ma'am.
very nice presentation. Means you have explained the things very clearly. Okay. Mustard oil, it floats on water. Can you tell me example of any liquid which sink in water?
Then carbon tetrachloride.
Very good. Carbon tetrachloride. Can you give some examples of liquids which are soluble in water? Which are soluble in water? Means you have given one example of that salt, soluble.
Yes, ma'am. Lemon juice.
Yes, very good. Lemon juice, it is soluble in water. Good answer, man. Okay. Sir, okay, we can proceed to the next presentation, sir.
Okay, madam. Okay, Anshuman, very good. Thank you. The next project display is of Swasti. Swasti, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay, wait. So after Swasti, it is Devi Prasad from 6A, and after Devi Prasad, it is Rituraj and Shubham from 6A. Be ready. Okay. So Swasti, now you can start.
Hello
everyone. Good morning. My name is Swasti Basotia. I am a student of Standard 5 in Tata DAV Public School, Choda. At first, I would like to tell you that what I have used in my model. This is my model. First, I have used Arduino. Second, ultrasonic sensor. Third, 5-volt battery. Fourth, jumper wires. Fifth, I have used some Arduino cable, and at last I have used a USB port. This gadget is specially designed for blind people. In this pandemic situation, blind people can maintain social distancing by using this. On the other hand, they can walk easily everywhere when they came across from any people or object. Let me show you how. Another example. So, in this way, blind people can maintain social distancing and avoid accidents. Thank you.
Okay, now over to madams.
Good morning, sir.
UKG के
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, good morning.
Students, sir,
Sir.
are
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning, and
Good morning, sir.
it's nice to see all
Good morning.
upcoming scientists with their mentors and
Good morning,
judges.
sir.
Good morning, good morning. Nice to see all of you and the upcoming future scientists as well as the mentors, the judges from different schools. Keep it up.
Thank you, sir.
Keep your observation and creativity on all the time. We, the teachers, are always available to help you, but only thing is you need to step forward. Okay, keep it up. First of luck to all the participants, and my hearty welcome to all the judges also in this.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Sir, thank you, sir.
Thank you, thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you all. Best of luck to all.
So, madam, Sunan, madam, please interact, please. You can
Yes,
start.
sir. Sir Swati,
Yes, ma'am.
I cannot see you. Sir, her
Yes, ma'am.
video is not visible, sir.
Okay, madam, I'm
Chandani,
making
sir.
it pin.
Hmm.
Okay, madam. Madam, can you see?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir, Swati, your presentation is very nice. It will be really helpful to
Thank
blind
you.
people. Okay, so on
Thank
which
you, ma'am.
principle does it work? Yes. So can you tell me on which
Sorry, ma'am.
principle does it work? On which principle of science does it work? Means you can say yes. Right?
Ma'am, it's a device for helping the blind people to maintain social distancing.
Yes, sir. And means you have used that ultrasonic. No, you have used that. So,
Sensor.
what is the ultrasonic sound? Can you tell us?
Ma'am, ultrasonic sound, ma'am, we can listen the sound from very far places.
Means we cannot listen, but some
But
animals can
anim-
listen to ultrasonic sounds. Can you tell?
Ma'am,
Yes, some animals
animals
they can
can-
hear those sounds. Some animals we cannot hear those sounds. Bats, like bats, they can listen to those sounds. Okay, you must have read in the first chapter, My Body,
yes, ma'am.
in which the bats they have highly developed sense organs of
Ma'am,
hearing.
they have a highly developed listening power.
Huh. Yes. Okay. Neetu madam?
Okay,
Otherwise,
Swasti, it was very good. Can you tell me
Thank
the
you.
summary of your project? Just a small summary, 2 lines.
Ma'am, people or object, they cannot see them. So in corona, it's pandemic situation, they also have to maintain social distancing. So from this device they can maintain social distancing.
Okay, thank you,
The
Swasti. Very
sensor
good.
will help.
Madam, can we proceed?
yes, yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Very good,
Thank you.
Swasti.
Thank you, ma'am.
Very good, Swasti.
Okay. So next is Devi Prasad. Devi Prasad, can you hear me? Devi Prasad, can you hear me? Are you there? Okay, I think you are not joined. Okay, he is from 6A. Okay, madam. So let's keep and we will make it later. We will meet him later. So next, Rituraj and Shubham. Are you there? Rituraj and Shubham. Okay. Okay. Angshuman and Satyavrata from 6A. Are you there?
Sir, I am
Angshuman and
from,
no. Angshuman and Satyavrata from 6A. Are you there?
no, sir, I am not for 6A. I am for
Okay.
5B.
Okay. Not you.
Sir, yes, sir. Ayushman and Satyavrata.
Oh, Ayushman and Satyavrata. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Ayushman and Satyavrata. Are you there? Okay, you can start
Yes,
now. You
sir.
can make your video on.
So the screen is visible?
Yes.
Yes, you are very much visible.
Today we have made an exciting project for all. Here is a sanitizer which we have named Go Corona Sanitizer. So this is a sanitizer that we can use in various purposes. So when we have to visit an hospital, we can give it to the COVID patients and help them to be safe. And when any friend or any guest come to your home, you can keep this sanitizer outside your home and ask them to use it. So let's see how it works. So here we have used two 9-volt batteries, UV rays and sanitizer. So when we push this cardboard, this sanitizer will fall and we can use this. So when the sanitizer will end, we have applied the UV rays, which can kill the germs and keep us germ free. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Over to madam. Madam, please. Satyavrata, make your video on. Madam will ask.
Okay, Rituraj and Shubham. So you have made a sanitizer, isn't it?
Ansuman Satyavrata.
Ayushman and
No, ma'am,
Satyavrata.
Ayushman.
Ayushman and Satyavrata. Okay. So you have made sanitizer, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so you are telling that you will press the cardboard. Where are the cardboard?
Ma'am, here is the cardboard. Ma'am, here we can press it and the
Okay.
sanitizer will fall.
Okay. So okay, and UV rays are also falling, isn't it?
Yes, constant weather.
Okay, so UV rays, they will kill the germs.
Yes,
They will not do any harm to human beings.
No, ma'am.
Hum-
This is only for using the hands.
Okay, so we are using the UV rays on hands only.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so have you shown that? No, or you have explained
Yes,
it?
ma'am.
What, yes? Shown or you have explained? You are explaining.
Ma'am,
Okay,
here is the
that
UVS
light.
that is on.
Okay,
Yes,
okay.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, very good.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
So you
Okay,
are
very-
Ayushman, isn't it?
Ma'am.
Yes, madam, that is Ayushman and Satyabrata.
Okay.
Okay, thank you, both of you. So, madam,
Yes, sir. Thank you,
can we proceed?
Thank you, children. Yes, sir.
So next participant is Shreyankan Pradhan from 6B. Shreyankan. After that, Rudrakant Sahu from 6B. After that, Om Jaiswal from 6C. So be ready. Shreyankan from 6B, make your video on as well as unmute yourself. Shreyankan, we cannot hear you.
Sir, am I audible?
Yes, now you are clearly audible. You can start.
Am I audible?
Yes.
Yes, Rekha.
Yes, beta, you are audible. Continue.
Everyone, respected teachers and judges. My name is Shreyankan Pradhan from class 6B. The topic of my project is to use electricity from windmill. The aim of my project is to use natural resources in our day-to-day life. Here I have used a DC motor, 2 mini LED lights inside the house, some copper wires and cardboard paper. As we know, electricity is essential in our day-to-day life, but in rural areas, people have lack of electricity. The electricity which is produced at coal power station also create a lot of pollution and it is very expensive. To prevent this all, I have prepared this project. When the wind blows, the fan of the windmill rotates and it generates electricity. Then it is provided to our houses. By using electricity, we can use a water pump for watering the crop fields. Hence, it is useful in irrigation. Now, let's test it. Wind blows and the fans of the windmill rotate. Now, the electricity is provided to houses. The lights of the houses are now on. Through using this electricity, we can use a water pump for irrigation. The benefit of this project are wind is the renewable source of energy. It do not create pollution and it create job for poor peoples and it is cost effective. Thank you.
Very good, Shankar. Very nice project. Can you
Thank
give
you,
some
ma'am.
more examples of renewable sources of energy?
Sunlight and tidal energy.
Okay, so in rural areas, we can use this windmills, but every time wind is not available, every time it doesn't blow. So what are alternative options?
Ma'am, we can in daytime we can use a solar panel for electricity, and at night we can use water energy.
Okay. Water energy means dams should be there in
Yes.
village areas. Okay, good. Hydroelectricity, good one. Okay, Neetu madam, you want to ask anything? And otherwise we'll proceed.
Yes, very good, Shankar.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, we can continue.
Okay, madam, thank you. So next we can move to next participant, that is Rudrakant. Rudrakant, are you there? Yes.
Good morning to one and all present over here, respected judges, teachers, and all my dear friends. I am Rudrakant Sao from class 6 going to present a model. The name of that model is self-walking machine. In this model, I have used cardboard, safety pins, matchsticks, 9-volt battery, 9-volt DC motor, switch, connecting wire, toy machine, fertilizers, and seeds. So let us know how the machine works. In this machine, one side is activated by the pin and the pin is rotating. Then the machine is in balance. So the force is applying in one direction. So the machine is moving. So let us know about its uses. Uses of machine. It can be used in the field or garden for spreading the fertilizer and seeds in the garden. It can be used in dining table for the movement of fruits from one place to another. It can be used for making movable toys. So let us know about its advantage. It can be used in place of human for transporting a cheap or small material from one place to other place. So let us know about its disadvantage. It consumes more power to work. So let us see how the machine works. So see, we will put some fertilizer in the seeds in this machine. So see, if we on the machine, the fertilizer will spread. Now we will put some seeds in this machine. So now you can see that the seeds is spreading in this field. So thank you and have a nice day.
Over to madam, please. Okay, madam, over to you, madam, please. Yes, you can ask.
Yes. Yes, Rudrakant, very innovative idea of spraying these fertilizers and seeds over the plants. And please, can you show me again how it works?
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, we will put some seeds in this machine and some fertilizers.
Okay, one fertilizers and seeds will be sprayed simultaneously.
Yes, ma'am. The machine will rotate and the seeds and fertilizer will spread in this field.
Okay, so it will means what are the advantages? Why we do this?
Ma'am, it can be time, even we can save the time and the work can be made easier.
Yes, it will save the time. Good.
Yes, ma'am.
Neetu ma'am?
Okay, Rudrakant.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
how you will operate this machine? How you will operate this machine? By using what?
Ma'am, by using this pin, when the pin is rotating, and the force is applying in one direction, so the machine is moving.
Okay, and what is the source of energy here? Here you have used battery.
Yes, ma'am. 9-volt battery.
Okay. Okay, and if it has to change the direction, how will it change? Right now you are showing us with stick.
Ma'am,
How can it change?
Ma'am, it can be rotated by itself. Ma'am, this is small.
It will rotate by itself.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, okay. Thank you, Rudrakant. Very good. At least you have thought about our farmers.
Yes, really, it will be a very innovative idea. Means instead of farmers going to the field and doing that job, a machine will do that job, and it will save their time.
Ah,
Good,
yes.
innovative one. Yeah.
Okay, sir, we can
Santanu sir,
proceed.
we can proceed to the next participant.
Okay, madam. Thank you. So very nice project, Rudrakant. Next participant is Om Jaswal from 6C. So Om, you can start. You can unmute and make your video on. Om, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Om. You can make your video on and you can start. Okay, continue. You can start. Yes.
Good morning, everyone. I am Om Jaswal of class 6, going to show you a working model. As we know, production of crops is mainly done by farmers. Farmers will harvest their crops and by unsure rain can damage their crops. The initial report of Commissioner of Agriculture has stated that crops over 4.5 lakh hectares were damaged due to rain. Standing crops like maize, sugarcane, soybean, as well as vegetables were damaged. In Telangana district, around 45,000 acre paddy and cotton crops were damaged due to rain. And all the effort of farmers goes in vain. For this reason, I have made this model based on rain alarm. Rain alarm is a device which gives information when rain fall on this 2 bolt. This 2 bolt. When as rain fall on this 2 bolt, the buzzer will start producing sound and farmers will know that the rain is going on, so they can put off their crops. And now I will show you how I have made this model. This is the diagram of the rain alarm. It is a simple circuit. In this circuit, first of all, I have taken a battery. The first wire of the battery is connected with this bolt, and the second wire of the battery is connected with buzzer. And buzzer is also connected with the bolt. When raindrop fall on the 2 bolts, the circuit gets completed and a sound is produced by the buzzer. Thank you.
Okay, very good, Om. This one is also innovative one. So how they will put up? I couldn't understand it. If they will able to know that rain is coming. Okay, so how they will put off their crops? So this one is little unclear to me. Means what will they do to protect their crops?
Ma'am, by listening that sound, they will put off their crops.
How?
By listening that sound.
Okay, okay. Neetu madam?
Go make your video on. Yes.
Okay, Om, I have the same question. Suppose rain has started falling, how the farmers they will shift their crops? That is what the buzzer question.
Yes, that was my question also, and it is very unclear to me also that how they will shift their crops.
After the rain has started,
protect their crops.
Om, got this question?
This device will be in the field. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
This device will be in the field, and by falling the rain in this 2 bolt, it will start producing sound, and by listening that sound, farmers will put off their crops.
Okay, beta, we have understood your project. What we wanted to know कि अपने crops को बचाएंगे कैसे?
हाँ, that
बारिश
is
आने
the
के बाद
question.
उसको कैसे
How
बचाएंगे?
will they protect their crops? This was my question also.
Yes.
By
Yes,
taking
Om,
it to
tell.
any dry place or in his or her home.
Okay, Neetu madam, when the crop has been already means harvested, then the crops can be saved, isn't it? I'm thinking so.
Yeah. Yes,
He
ma'am.
wants to save that only, that they will shift the
the
crops in their home.
The harvested crops means the crops which are already in the field, it cannot be shifted, no? So,
Okay, okay, Om. Thank you.
Yes, when
So
they
can it
have,
be helpful
they are
at
bringing
homes
that
also?
into a particular ground. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
If we have our clothes outside, we can bring the clothes
Yes.
first.
That
If it is drying outside.
I am also thinking. That is also I'm thinking that it will be useful for us also. Means by sitting in the room only, we will know that the rain is coming, and immediately we'll go out and bring out our clothes from outside. This will
Right,
be
right.
helpful at home only.
Yes, clothes
Ma'am,
can be saved.
it can also be, ma'am, it can also be used to save water. Whenever we fill the water tank and most of the time we forgot and much water got wasted. For this
Correct.
purpose, it will be a useful model.
Yes, very good, very good. Nice one. Good.
Correct,
In-
correct. Very
Inside the water
good.
tank, if we can fix
Thank
it,
So we
you,
then
can
you
use
can
this.
also get.
This is more helpful in water tanks.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So if the if our overhead tanks they get filled up, we get the notice that okay, we have to put off the switch.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
So this project is helpful in many ways. Not only
Yes.
in means the fields, but can be helpful in homes and somewhere other places also. Good.
Okay, very good, Om. So very nice project, innovative project.
Thank you, ma'am.
So,
Thank you, sir.
okay. So, madam, we can move to the next participant. So next participant is
Yes, sir.
Suhani from 6C. After Suhani, it is Priyanshu Mahapatra from 7A. After that, Shreya Mahapatra from 7A. So Suhani, after Suhani, Priyanshu and Shreya, be ready.
Yes.
Now it is time for
Sir,
Suhani
it is
Bhattamisra.
Mahapatra.
Yes, Priyanshu. Madam, one correction is there. In
Yes, sir.
12 number serial, so Priyanshu Mahapatra it is written, it is Priyanshu Gupta. Okay.
Okay.
Now, Suhani, you can unmute yourself as well as you can make your video on. Suhani, unmute yourself. Suhani, are you ready? Unmute yourself.
Good morning, respective our chief guests and all my respective teachers. I am Suhani Bhattamishra from Tata Devi Public School, Joda from 6C. So this is my project. It is an electric circuit. In this electric circuit, 4 main parts are there: a bulb, three batteries, a wire, and a switch. Switches are of different types. The switch I have used in my circuit is a toy car or a mouse switch. I have also different types of switches here. This is a bed switch and this is a plug switch. So let us know how this works. We all know that battery have two terminals, a positive terminal and a negative terminal. So when the positive and a negative terminal of two batteries get joined together, the electricity produces and this electricity goes through this wire and gets stored here because the switch is in off position now. So we will know that the electric circuit is known as a closed open circuit. But when we will turn on this switch, the bulb glows. How it happens? When I have turned on this switch, the electricity stored here goes through this wire inside the bulb and touches the filament. When the electricity touches the filament, the filament get heated and the bulb glows. When the bulb glows, we know that the circuit is known as an closed circuit. Thank you.
Okay, basically it is a demonstration project
Very
of
good,
electric circuit, I
Suhani.
think. Okay, madam, over to you. Yes, madam.
Yes. This was a genuine project made by herself, I think. A student of standard 6 has made this herself. Okay, Suhani. So you have showed how many types of switches?
Ma'am, 3 types of switches.
Okay. So the other two, they are not connected to the circuit, isn't
ma'am.
it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, very good. And which
Thank
bulb?
you, ma'am. Ma'am, a torch bulb.
Sonana, madam, please. I think Nitu madam is getting
Yes, Suhani,
network problem.
And no, I
Suhani,
have come
very
back.
nice one. Means you have done here. Okay. So which means the wire is made up of which metal?
Ma'am, copper. Ma'am, copper and
Copper.
plastic. Ma'am, plastic covering is there, ma'am,
Yes.
because of stock circuits, the plastic covering is there outside the copper metal.
Short circuits. Okay. So do all the metals they conduct electricity?
No, ma'am. Some of these conduct electricity like silver, gold, or copper, and graphite is also a good conductor of electricity. Our body and water are also a good conductor of electricity. Our body also is also a good conductor of electricity because we drink a lot of water, and our body consists of 70% of water.
Okay, but pure water is not a good conductor. Means some salts are present, so that's why it helps in conduction of electricity. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay,
Okay,
Sandra sir,
excellent
we can proceed to the
explanation.
next.
Okay, madam. Okay, madam. So next
Explanation was
participant.
a good one.
Yes. Next participant is Priyanshu Gupta from 7A. Be ready, Priyanshu.
Good morning, ma'am, dear principal sir, and dear respected teachers. I am Priyanshu Gupta from standard 7A, and I am going to show my project of science exhibition. This is my project of farm waste management. As you can see this here, in the places like in the states like Punjab and Haryana, the farmers are burning the husk and the remaining parts of the crops, which causes smoke. And also they use fertilizers like urea. Can you guess, ma'am, which city is this? Which is suffering from this acid rain every year on smog?
Yeah, Delhi.
Yeah, it is Delhi. it also has some bad points of this farming. It is inorganic farming and made up of fertilizers, which is unhealthy for our health. It also spends money on a wasteful expenditure like inorganic fertilizers. It is unhealthy for our health also. It does not protect the environment because if we will use the fertilizer, it will get mixed with the groundwater and it will be harmful for us. It is also demoting Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. But if I am giving you the problem, I should also give you the solution. So this is my solution. Why not we will use the remaining part of the husk and the crops to make compost like this. This is compost. The farmer has made it. And farmer are using it in their crop. And this is healthy for our health also. So it has also some good points. It is organic farming made up of compost. It is made up of biodegradable particles. It is healthy for our health also. It also saves money of farmers in buying inorganic particles. It helps to protect the environment. It is promoting Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. You might be thinking that if the farmer will make one compost, how could he make a compost pit? One compost pit, how could he make compost? Because the compost takes 3 to 4 months to make. So I think that we should make 2 compost pit. One is filled up, we will use another compost pit. So at last, you will be thinking, if we will make the compost pit, the land will be waste. So I'm saying that why not we will cover the compost pit with the land so that we can also crop their vegetables also, like which take less water. So the government should take steps ahead because they are giving money for making toilets in the village. Why not to make compost pits? Because the farmer will think that why would I give? Because they have so much loss to make this compost pit. So I think that the government should take steps ahead. So this is my project. Please take the steps ahead. Thank you and welcome. Sorry, thank you and bye.
Okay, Priyanshu, very good. Very nice one. Innovative one. I like that idea that we can grow crops over that compost pit also. It's a good idea to save land. His video is gone. Okay.
Okay, madam. Madam, can you see him?
Okay,
Can you see his video?
Priyanshu. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir, we can see him. So Priyanshu, it was excellent, very nice. All the questions you have asked and all the answers also you have given yourself only. So you have given almost every practical solution to all the questions which could have arisen. Okay, so tell me, what are the components of acid rain? When we are burning this husk, so the acid rain is produced. What are the components of acid rain?
Ma'am, because it is because of the smog. And smog is made up of nitrogen oxide, sulfur oxide, ozone, and smoke. So it is very harmful for us. It also makes many breathing problems like suffocation and asthma. So because it combines with fog, it makes acid and forms acid rain.
Yes.
Correct. Very good. Thank you.
Acid rain also has any adverse effect on the fertility of the soil?
Yes, ma'am. It also lets the fertility of the soil.
Oh, it reduces the fertility of the soil. Okay. Yeah, definitely. We have been hearing that we should minimize the use of fertilizers and we should use more of manure and this compost. So farmers should be encouraged to use less of fertilizers and more of this type of compost. So if more compost they can make, then definitely the use of fertilizers will be lessened. Okay, good one. I like to.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, very good, Priyanshu. So, madam, can we proceed?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So, after Priyanshu, it is Shreya. Shreya from 7A, Shreya Mahapatra. After that,
Yes,
Pinak
sir.
from 7B. After that, after Pinak, it is Antarix. So, be ready, Pinak and Antarix. So, now it is time for Shreya. Shreya, are you there? You can unmute yourself as well as make
Yes,
your
sir.
video on. Yes.
Audio down.
Today's my theme is solution for air pollution. Presentation by Shreya Mahapatra, 7A. Good morning, judges. I am Shreya Mahapatra, present over here in the science exhibition. Nowadays, the whole world is nowadays the whole world with various global issues, but this area of air pollution and its effects are always in major contact with the whole world.
Yes,
Here are
Shreya,
some
can you speak little loudly? Your voice is not audible. Little loudly.
Okay, Shreya, be loud, please.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay, very good.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, sir.
Sorry,
Today's my theme is solution for air pollution. Presentation by Shreya Mahapatra, 7A. Good morning, judges. I am Shreya Mahapatra, present over here in the science exhibition. Nowadays, our whole world is suffering with various global issues. Out of this, air pollution and its harmful effects are always in major corner in whole world. Here I had a solution against this problem. We know that many vehicles are running on our roads all the day, due to which many pollutants like smoke and dust are harmful gas released to the air and cause air pollution. Out of this dust and smoke cause a lot of problem in our society. We know that many street lights, many electric poles present in road side with street light. If we install a machine which can absorb dust and smoke that are suspended in air, so we can reduce the air pollutants. As we know that our street lights are working by using solar energy. In this way, this purified machine are used installing in same electric pole and used in solar energy to purify the air. I think it will be the effective and useful way to reduce the air pollutants from air. Here we install only the purifier machine in our extreme electric poles. So it is also cost effective if scientific studies may request to develop the machine if will work 24 hours day and night throughout the year. Thank you, judges, for listening me. Have a nice day.
Shreya Mahapatra, can you show your project and can you explain on the basis of that project? Means what you have made?
Ma'am, I have made one stick light. Ma'am, this is the
Yes.
purified machine, and this is the solar. Ma'am, this
Solar
is the
panel.
solar energy, and
Solar panel. Yes.
yes,
Hmm. Then?
ma'am, this will absorb the ma'am, this will absorb the air. Ma'am, dust and smoke. It will absorb.
Okay. And then?
Then, ma'am, it will. Then 50% air will 50% dust and smoke will be clear.
Okay. Neetu ma'am? Yes.
Okay, Shreya. Thank you. Very good project.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, so can we proceed, madam?
Yes, sir.
So next is after Shreya, it is Pinak from 7B. So Pinak, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so you can make your video on.
Sir, I am visible and audible.
Yes, yes, yes.
Sir, can I start?
Yes, you can start now. All the best.
He has said right that it became appallingly obvious that our science exists our mankind. By the way, hello everyone. I'm Pinak Pradershan from Standard 7B of Tata Yevi Public School, Joda, Kyoja. So today I'm gonna demonstrate my model, which name is Smartest Blind Stick, and I'm gonna demonstrate my second project, which is Blind Health Jacket. So first I'm gonna demonstrate my stick. So why I have named like this? There are many smart blind sticks, but it is smartest of all them. So what it uses? It uses an ultrasonic sensor, a buzzer, an Arduino Uno, a 9-volt battery, and some jumper wire. So what is the role of all these? So the ultrasonic sensor senses the object from a distance from 1 meter and sends the sound waves which are very high to the humans to listen. And the Arduino Uno acts as a loader and load everything without any hardware, and it acts like ATmega 328. And this buzzer has an outer case which has 2 pins attached to it. One is in the power and one is in the ground. And it has 2 terminals, one positive and one negative. And as you know that the 9-volt battery acts as the power supplier and the connector wires act as the connectors. So how it works, you can see. It started making sounds. The ultrasonic sensor senses the object and sends it to the Arduino, and Arduino processes it and sends to the buzzer, and the buzzer makes sound so that person can change his or her direction by knowing the sound. Then advantages. If the person is going on a road and a dog is sleeping or going on the road, the person is using a normal blind stick. But in normal blind stick, he had to tap, and then he can know that there is any object or any person or not. If you know the normal blind stick will be tapped on a dog, what will happen? Which is not safe. The dog can harm the person. So by using my stick, the person can know any object or anything is in the distance of 1 meter. If the buzzer makes sound,
he or she can change his place. And the second and most fantastic advantage of my stick is it has a magnet attached to its ground. So if a person is going nakedly, so he can just move it, and the pins or any harmful substance will means metal substance will be attracted to the magnet, and he can walk harmlessly. So I'm going to show my jacket now. You can see here it's written help me. Here I have used some glowing tapes which will if at night the person, a blind person is going by wearing it, and he needs help, so he means by using it he don't have to shout that help me, help me. If any car or any vehicle will come, it will start glowing, the means the tape will start glowing, and he can see that there is written help me, and he can help the person. So I think these two things will help a lot to the blind person in this time of pandemic, and especially the stick can be used by the blind person to maintain social distancing at this time of pandemic. Thank you, judges, for listening me patiently.
Pinak,
Okay.
make your yes, keep your video on, madam, please. Yes.
Pinak, very innovative idea. And
Thank you.
Neetu madam, one such a project was also shown by one girl, na?
Yes.
Of
Right.
yes, the same principle is used here also. Presentation was nice. Means he has
Yes, the
explained all the
presentation
things
was
very,
very
yes.
correct.
Yes, he explained everything very beautifully, very nicely, properly.
So the stick was multi-purpose for
Yes,
sensors also, then
multi-purpose.
magnetic also.
Yes, yes. He is having a different parts, including magnet,
Magnet
so
also.
that person can walk harmlessly.
Yes.
Is that Pinak?
Yes, ma'am. And if means that coin falls off any blind person, so he can use that stick and get it back.
Okay.
So it is related to very basic, I think. Okay. Okay, madam, you can ask anything, or we can proceed.
Okay, Pinak, tell me, who can be identified by using these sensors? They can identify only things or human beings. Means anything which comes in front of them, they will identify.
Yes, ma'am. I have showed that I have put my hand it, and that buzzer made sound that it can sense anything or any object.
Okay,
Can
any
you
object or any
show-
person it can sense.
Can you show us, please, rest that stick at one place and you move away? Will it means
Yes,
make
ma'am.
sound or not? We will see. Yes, so that.
Yes, ma'am. I'm sorry. Just wait. Ma'am, I have to close my eyes. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so it is sensing objects also.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, excellent, Pinak. It was very nice.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, madam, can we proceed?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
okay, very good, Pinak. Very nice project. So next is after Pinak, it is Antarix from 7B. Antarix, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay, make your video on Antarix. Yes, very good. Okay, you can start now.
Honorable judges, respected principal, sir, and my dear friends, good morning. I'm very grateful for this opportunity to be presenting my science project in front of you. I'm Andreas from class 7B of Tara Devi Public School, Jura. It's WAET, or writing A for essential tremor. A person with this disability has trouble doing everyday things like eating or drinking or even writing his name on paper. So I have created a device that eliminates all kinds of shaking by ET. And this is my device. And with your permission, I'd like to demonstrate the construction and the functioning of my device. For the construction of my device, I've used a wrist strap, a permanent magnet, a writing pad, a metal plate made of iron, a plastic cap, and a pen and paper, of course, for writing. My device is mainly made up of two parts, the writing unit and the wrist stabilization unit. For the construction of the wrist stabilization unit over here, I took a magnet and then I attached it to this wrist strap with hot glue, and then I left it to dry. The wrist stabilization unit is now ready to use. For the construction of the writing unit, this over here, I took a metal plate and I attached it to this writing pad using tape. And then I attached a plastic cap using the same hot glue, the purpose of which I will explain shortly. Now, also with your permission, I'd like to demonstrate how to use my device. First, I'll take the wrist stabilization unit and I'll quickly tie it around my wrist so that it's firmly attached to my wrist. And the good thing about this wrist strap is that it can be adjusted according to your writing style. Now I'll take the writing unit and I'll insert this magnet into the plastic cap. And now all shaking stops immediately. The purpose of this plastic cap is to restrict any movement, and all shaking stops immediately. Now, with a pen in my hand, I'll demonstrate how to write with my device. With this, I conclude that this device can be very cheaply made with easily available parts. And I believe that if this device is mass produced, it can change the lives of millions of people across the globe with ET. Thank you again for listening.
Madam, please. I think Antariksh, your network is quite unstable.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Many things. Yes, many things I also couldn't understand.
Okay, madam, you
because
can
of the
ask him
network problem.
particularly. Yes, yes, yes.
Antriksh, just tell me the summary of your this model. What did you want to show?
This device, particularly for ET or essential tremor, allows an ET disabled person to write on paper. A person with this disability has very shaky hands. Due to this, he can't write or eat or even drink. He needs help from others. So I've created this device in an inspiration from an old woman in a village near our town.
Which town?
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. I could not really hear you.
Which town?
From where did you get this information? From whom you have got this inspiration of making this type of watch?
From an old woman who had this disability. And I looked it up from a village in Manipur.
Manipur. Okay.
Manipur. Okay.
Manipur. Okay.
Okay, so this will be used for writing purpose.
Not
Yes,
for all,
yes,
ma'am,
it is
but
for writing
for
purpose.
some people who have this disability.
So for writing purpose.
Yes.
For people having shaky hands, especially the ETs.
Okay. Thank you, Antariksh.
Thank you, ma'am, for those very interesting questions.
Okay. You were good at explanation also, but actually because of your network problem, we couldn't get all the things in a better way. That was the problem. Okay.
Okay, Antariksh, very good. It is definitely it is a very innovative project and helpful to
Thank you,
that
sir.
particular type of disabled people. Okay, very nice. So,
Yes,
madam,
sir.
can we proceed?
Where is Antariksh right now? So where is he right now? Antariksh, where is he right now?
Okay, Antariksh.
I am in Balaipada.
You are in Vilaipada. Okay.
Yes, madam.
Okay,
Yes,
fine.
Yes.
from Vilaypada, yes. Okay, okay, very good. Okay. Okay, madam, can we
Thank you,
proceed to the next participant?
sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So after Antariksh, it is Pomitra from 7C. Pomitra, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Pomitra, you can start. You can make your video on first. Okay.
So am I visible and audible?
Pomitra, yes, yes.
Yes, yes.
You are very much
Good
visible.
afternoon, one and all present over here. I am Pomitra Kai, feeling very pleased to be a part of this virtual science exhibition. The title of my project is COVID-19 Smart Dustbin. The aim of this project is to build a self-sanitizing COVID-19 smart dustbin that will create a safer environment for the frontline workers. COVID-19 has breaking healthcare. To be secure from this pandemic, healthy hand washing habits and self-sanitizing methods are important. But the main problem is the way we do it, that is, by physical touch. Touching common utilities with infected hands can spread the virus to the next person. Recently, the dustbins used are physically touched by the persons who throw their garbage into it, as well as the frontline workers who clear the garbage and load it into the truck. Here I have prepared a smart garbage disposal system with UV ray garbage sanitization method as well as assisted with automatic hand sanitizer dispenser. Let me explain you this model in detail. The components required to make this model are IR sensors, UV ray setup, garbage evacuation setup with the help of motor, automatic sanitization setup with the help of pump, battery and USB based power supply, sunboard base for model making. Now, description. The person will throw the garbage into the smart dustbin and he or she can sanitize their hand with the help of automatic hand sanitizer dispenser which is touch free. Then, whenever new and wet garbage is thrown into this smart dustbin, the UV ray setup gets activated for a certain time period and this ensures that the garbage is virus free. Then, during collection, when the vehicle comes near the garbage bin, with the help of these IR sensors, the control circuit for the motor gets activated. Here, circulatory motion is converted into oscillatory motion. Let us see what happens.
Pomitra, you are not audible. I think network is
Infection,
slow. Yes.
spreading of coronavirus as well as it saves the lives of the persons who throw their garbage into it as well as the frontline workers who clear garbage. This is an initiative to contain COVID-19 virus spread. Thank you and have a nice day.
Very nice, Pomitra. The project was really innovative. And also, Actually, they are more prone to this disease because of touching all the garbages. Okay. Can you show your project again?
Ma'am, here I have set up the UV ray, and when the garbage is wet,
It
it
kills the garbages.
yeah. And here is the automatic hand sanitizer dispenser. And here is one more IR sensor which starts the assessment.
Okay. Okay, nice one. I means personally liked it. Neetu ma'am?
Yes. Pamitra was very nice, very innovative. So this, the garbage bin which you are talking about, it is fixed. It is not movable, isn't it?
No, actually, it is means this is the smart dustbin. This is not movable as it's a community dustbin, like for apartments and marketplaces.
Okay. Okay, so people are coming, or the those workers, they are coming and putting the garbage bins into it, and then they can disinfect themselves, isn't it? And the
Yes,
garbage which
it
are
will
put,
be
they can
helpful to
also be
them basically.
and the garbage which is being put to the, and that also can be disinfected with the help of all these IR rays and UV rays, isn't it?
Yes.
Okay. Thank you, Pamitra. It was very beautiful. Your the colony is also very beautiful. Not only your dustbin, your colony is also very beautiful there.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, Pamitra, very nice, very nicely done. I think all the project students are showing that is very much needed and helpful for contemporary world.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Definitely.
Okay. So, madam, can we proceed? So next participant after Pamitra, it is next last two participants are here. Next is Akanksha and last is Darshan. So Akanksha, are you ready?
Sir, two more yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, you can make your video on as well as unmute yourself. Okay, you can start, Akanksha. Akanksha, unmute. Yes. Unmute yourself. We can see you, but we cannot hear you. Yes, you can start now.
Good morning, respected principal sir and teachers. Science is magic that works by God one word. I, Akanksha Naik, welcome you all to the science exhibition. Here, my model name is Mr. Chandrayaan 3. In the previous year, Chandrayaan 2, which has an rover, lander, and an orbiter, with the goals of exploring the South Pole, but the Vikram lander crash landed the moon due to software glitch. Now, our scientists have decided to launch Chandrayaan 3 in 2021. The total cost of the project is rupees 75 crore. Let's see the slide. The orbiter of Chandrayaan 2, which originally has a mission life of 1 year, has been given an extension and will now be operational for 7 years. Here is the rover and the lander. Chandrayaan 3's payload will be similar to Chandrayaan 2. It will also have a lander rover like its previous iteration. Changes will be made to the sequence of power descent, during which, as velocity loss had caused the Chandrayaan 2 lander rover to crash. Here is the GSLV Mark III. GSLV Mark III had to be operationalized for launching Chandrayaan 2. So let's see a short animation video to visualize my project. GSLV Mark III lifts off. Payload sharing separates from the launch vehicle. L110 second stage, C25 third stage separate from the launcher. Module shifts orientation towards the sun. Module gets captured on the moon's orbit. Module initiates. Vikram reorients orbit. Orbiter scans the lunar surface. Vikram scans the landing site. Vikram initiates. Vikram soft lands on the moon. Thank you.
Very good, Akanksha. You have done good research work, actually, I think. And do you have interest in this space and this all things, astronomy and space?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you interested? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So, do you have any goals such that they're going to such a field in the future?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, very nice. And project means your presentation was good one. So can you tell me that why means the surface of the moon has so many craters?
Ma'am, in that we can experiment on the lunar surface and we will be successful in this mission. Our India will rank 4th. So mission is useful and ISRO is launched.
Okay, means why the surface so many craters of and in on our Earth means Earth doesn't have so many craters and but if you will see the surface of the moon, it has so many craters. Do asteroids and meteoroids they have done this?
Yes, ma'am. Maybe, ma'am.
Okay, so but it doesn't affect our Earth, the asteroids and meteoroids, because we have atmosphere.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and our atmosphere is moving in so much speed that when they come to come near to us, then they just explode or they could not enter to our atmosphere because of our atmosphere. They could not enter to our Earth surface. Okay, so have a research on it also after after the presentation. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So always keep on questioning that why it happens, why this happens. So you will get more answers. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So, ma'am.
Okay, Akansha, it was very well researched project. Now tell me, what are the advantages of this, the project which you have shown? How we are going to get benefit?
Ma'am, experimenting on the lunar surface and if this mission will be successful, Chandrayaan-3, then another mission India is gearing up, that is Gaganyaan. In that, 3 astronauts will go to space to research at least for 7 days. And ma'am, it will be successful. If it will be successful, then our India will rank 4th to go on the moon. So,
Okay, Akansha. Thank you. Very nice.
Okay, very good, sir. Very nice project. Very nicely you have demonstrated. So next participant after Akanksha, it is the last participant, Darshan from 7C. Darshan, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay. You can unmute yourself as well as you can make your video on.
Of class 7C, and I have made a
Darshan,
this
please be loud.
device is
Please be
this
loud.
device is basically safety device. This device should be kept in as isolated area in our house. We have to fix this device in ground properly. In this device, I have used a 9-volt battery connector, a 9-volt battery which is connected to on-off switch, and a safety pin, a buzzer which is connected to on-off switch, and a copper wire. For making this device, the purpose is sometimes people are busy in their day-to-day life. They do not aware of earthquake. This device will alert them and they can escape from house and move to a safer place. Let's see how this device works. Once earthquake will occur and the ground will start trembling, according the copper wire will start trembling. Once the copper wire will touch to the charged safety pin, the buzzer will start ringing. And the people in the house, they can move to a safer place. Thank you.
Good
Sir,
project, good one, Darshan. Very nicely explained also, and it will be really helpful for the earthquake-prone areas.
Yes, ma'am.
But actually, earthquakes sometimes they don't give time
Yes,
to be safer. Means sometimes it is of 1 second or 2 second like that. No.
Ma'am, this device we can
Yes.
use in Japan.
Like a place in Japan where the earthquakes are very means common.
Very frequent occur.
Okay, can you show the project again?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Means when you are shaking, then the alarm is getting started. Okay, Neetu ma'am, you want to ask anything to him?
Okay, Darshan, tell me some areas which are earthquake prone besides Japan.
Ma'am, Hiroshima, Nagasaki, and many areas.
Okay. Okay, Darshan, thank you.
Okay, Darshan. So you have made a basically basic simple project based on simple circuit, I think. Is that, madam? Okay, very good.
Yes, sir.
So we have reached the last part of this exhibition, and both
Sir,
the madam.
two students are not
Yes,
given.
yes, madam.
Devi Prasad and Jituraj.
That one I want to highlight here. So Devi Prasad, madam, we are very sorry to inform that due to some inconveniences he cannot attend. And Rituraj and Shubham, again it is a reminder for Rituraj and Shubham. Have you joined Rituraj and Shubham? Okay, very good, very good. So you can make your video on and unmute yourself. Madam, it is serial number 6. Rituraj and Shubham, are you there? Shubham Giri, unmute yourself.
केते दिन में सेटा बाजिबो
Raj.
And my name is Subham Giri. And our project name is drone for sprinkler pesticides. It is basically for the farmers who it is useful for farmer to sprinkle the pesticides on their crops. It is also it is made up of 4 motors, 4 batteries, and a motherboard. This is controlled with a remote control. This is the remote control, but now it is not working. Not working because of some issues. So thank you, sir.
Wait, Shubham and Rituraj, madam will ask something to you.
Yes, sir.
It's not working. And then
Okay, it was Rituraj and Shubham. It was very nice idea to see that you are using drone for sprinkling pesticides and fertilizers in the fields.
Yes.
So why
ma'am.
your remote is not working? What happened to your remote?
Ma'am, it is working from tomorrow, but today it is not working. Why? We don't know.
You have used all your
To
batteries.
make your video on, Rituraj and Shubham. Madam is asking. Yes.
So you have exhausted your battery, isn't it? That is why it is not working.
Yes, ma'am.
I think many times they would have played it, means used it,
Ah.
worked it. That's why. When it's the main time, then it stopped working.
Before exhibiting,
show
they
your
have
drone.
played a lot. Okay.
Show your drones. Okay, so you have used a plastic, what is it? Plastic jar is there, isn't it? And
Yes,
then
ma'am.
above, okay, on the top you have used fans.
Yes, ma'am. Fans,
Okay.
motor, battery,
Motor.
and a motherboard of an RC car.
Okay, of a car. You have made it yourself?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Very good. And where you
Actually,
are
it's a good
storing,
idea.
it's very good idea. Where you are storing your fertilizers and pesticides?
Here. Here.
Okay, okay. So now you can use this for your garden. Very nice.
Okay.
So if
thank
you
you.
are putting fertilizers, into it, will they not get heavy? Will they fly?
Ma'am, if we will use a powerful motor, then it will fly, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay, okay. Right now, which motor you are using?
Ma'am, it is of 9 or 12 volts, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Very good. Very good, beta.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, madam, can we proceed to the next phase?
Okay. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, everyone, it was a very nice exhibition, and everyone was doing very nicely. So, madam, I would like to request both of you, please, you say anything about the exhibition of the students, as well as bless them with your words. So, I think I would like to first request Nitu, madam, please.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for giving me opportunity for interacting with the children of your school. They were brilliant. They have come up with brilliant ideas, brilliant projects, and I was really overwhelmed by seeing all these projects. It was very nice interacting with them, and they have done a wonderful work. Hats off to you people also, that you have, in this time also, you have been able to conduct this type of exhibition. So thank you, you people also, and your principals are also. Thank you so much.
Thank you, madam. Thanks a lot. And madam Sunana, madam, please.
Yeah, okay, students. Very good, means the projects were very nice and very innovative. And really thank you all, and thank you teachers, and thank you principal sir, that you have given me chance to interact with them. And really I have also, even I am judging them, but I have also learned many things from them, many good ideas I have got from them. And I will tell them that all the best for everything and for your future. That means whatever you are learning, you learn it from your heart, and you do something good, better in your life.
Okay, madam. Thanks a
Yes,
lot.
sir.
Okay. Thank you, madam. And also in the meeting, Sudhir Parida sir is here, as well as Amrita Singh madam, and Sikha madam is also here. So Sikha madam is going to propose the vote of thanks. Before that, I would like to request Sudhir Parida sir and Amrita Singh madam, if you are wishing to tell anything and bless the students with words, please. Sir, please.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, madam. Nitu madam and Sunena madam, both of you are guiding our children. You share your valuable thought with your students, and last 2 hours continuously you are interacting with your students, and your valuable suggestion will work in future of their life. Thank you both of madam for your cooperation and support in this pandemic time. Thanks a lot, both of you, madam. All the students also encourage you, and all the best of your effort. You keep on your effort in future also. Your future is bright. Don't worry. All your innovative idea will work in future. All of you, thank you again. God bless you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you,
So,
sir.
Amrita Singh madam, please. Amrita madam, yes, yes,
First of all,
yes.
I would like to, yes, sir. First of all, I would like to say good afternoon to all my dear judges, and once again, thank you that for patient hearing and for keen observing, that you are observing very minutely. I have seen the projects and your opinion also in each and every projects. You have given the feedback. You have put up the questions from our students, and it will be a great because judges, you are knowing Joda is available students so that they can and compete with this world. So thank you very much judges for patient hearing and spending your valuable time with us. Thank you.
Thank you, madam.
Thank you, madam.
Thank you, my dear students, for your participation, and thank you, Shantanu sir, also.
Thank you, madam. So, students, it is a great opportunity for us to exhibit all these things in front of both the judges, and I hope so. We have not faced that much of difficulty in our technical things as well as exhibiting the projects. So, I also thanks a lot to everyone. So, before concluding, I would like to tell, I would like to thanks first both the madams for giving their valuable time, so that we could get something from them. And all the projects are very nicely that exhibited, and all the students have done a lot also. And to everyone from my side as well as from Tata Dev family, thanks a lot. And at last, I would like to request Sikha madam to propose the vote of thanks to everyone.
A warm good morning to our honorable principal, sir, all the judges, teachers, and all the students. First of all, I would like to thank our beloved principal, sir. who has given such a nice opportunity to all of us, to all the teachers also, to learn many things and to do something even in this pandemic. To the students, they have also learned many things. So I would like to thank our beloved principal sir, and students also have done very creatively, and they have done everything very creatively. Then I would like to thank our judges, beloved judges, Mrs. Neetu Bharti madam and Sunaina madam. They have not only assessed our students, they have also guided also. In each and every point I have also seen they have questioned and they have guided also, and that you can do like this, you can do like that. Many things they have very proper they have guided. So thank you to the both of the judges. A warm thank you to all, to both of you. Then I would like to thank parents also have done too much for. They are very sincere, and due to them this teaching learning process is going on very properly. So we thank to our parents also. They are also very coordinating. They also coordinate us very much. Then I would like but not the least, I'd like to thanks to the God and the nature also, which make this program successful one. Thank you all.
Okay, thank you everyone. So before ending the meeting, I am having a information to all of you, the students. So students, you can send your individual video if you have recorded. If you have recorded, if you can send your individual projects to me in personal WhatsApp number so that we can upload individual in the YouTube channel also. We are going to record this recording on the Zoom recording also in YouTube, as well as you can send your individual videos. Okay, so I think it is clear to everyone. So madams, with your permission, can we end the meeting?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, madam. Thank you. Thanks a lot.
Thank you.
Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, sir.
So have a nice day. I'm making yes, madam. I'm making the meeting end.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Yes. Bye.